Increasing the value of your home does not always require a massive renovation or a six-figure budget. You can make a significant impact on your property's appeal by simply updating old, mismatched hardware on your kitchen cabinets and interior doors. A fresh coat of neutral paint is arguably the best return on investment you can find because it makes the entire space feel clean and modern. Replacing outdated light fixtures with stylish LED options can instantly transform a dark room into a bright and inviting space for buyers. Do not overlook your curb appeal. Spending a few $100s on fresh mulch and colorful flowers can make a powerful first impression. Cleaning your windows inside and out allows more natural light to enter the home, which often makes rooms appear much larger than they are. Pressure washing your driveway and front walkway is a cheap way to remove years of grime and make the exterior look brand new again. For a complete list of high-impact budget projects, visit homebuyingrealty.com and download our DIY Value Booster Guide today.